hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Yeah, Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go when it hits
Fellow traders, welcome back, everybody. Very nice, very nice. 44 Punisher in the house. Dustin Laurie, how's it going? Daily day trade. Willie, what is up? Gringo, Diablo in the house. Yeah, gold. Yeah, don't even talk about it. Gold, silver, guys, man, these are just a monster. Ooh, yeah, looks the gold, silver. I mean, what a surprise bounce that we got here on the silver and the gold. Like, that's really incredible. My day is not being good. My days has been pretty bad in the last couple days. Couple weeks has not been that great, unfortunately, but it's okay, just part of the process. It's all your fault at the end of the day, so we keep moving on, guys. Keep moving on. I hope you all had a great day this morning. Did anybody hopefully did not get caught on the wrong side trading gold and the silver here this afternoon, meaning towards the end of the New York? I hope you all had a safe trading day today. Was definitely a tough one. The market just kept going, so I don't know.
Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything alive.
Everybody's talking about gold. Gold! Stop! Yeah, what a wild day, guys. Anyways, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Crazy wild morning. How y'all doing? Justin Wright in the house. Elevated life, real raw bot. Ali, what is up? Gringo. All right, so we have 10 more minutes to go. Not expecting too much out of the Globex, to be honest with you. I mean, it's, yeah, the New York session was already wide itself, so we'll try to take it a little slow here today. Definitely will not be trading right off the bat for sure. Everything is up. I know nothing seems to want to pull back. Everything just keeps moving in one direction here, and if we were trying to short the market along the way, I think that would have been a big fat mistake. Unfortunately, I'm one of the victims, because I also tried shorting along the way. I tried to short micro silver, I tried to short NQ, so yeah, by the time you realize it's too late. So yeah, I hope y'all had a great morning. Tommy Tom, Edward in the house, what is up? HGB, Yeah, what a weird day, right? The GLD pumping, a GLD at 476, guys. I mean, like, the GLD, man, the GLD. I never thought. I mean, I never really thought we would get something like this on GLD. And GLD keeps going, like, it's just incredible. Like, how far can we actually go? Why don't we bring the GLD to maybe $1,000? How about that, everybody? I don't know. I mean, GLD sitting at 476 GLD. Incredible. Incredible. This is a pretty... GLD, if we hold, man, GLD could just rip and go. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it would... I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, you know, obviously we've got to get some sort of a pullback, but I don't know, it's kind of asking for too much. This is a pretty crazy. Although once again, I would like to do a little bit of a Fibonacci. I want to kind of gauge where the next level can we kind of expect to see. I don't even know where to have this. Oh. Where's the Fibonacci? Where the heck is Fibonacci, yo? Oh, there you go. I don't even know where to have this Fibonacci here. Let's do it here. Yeah, the next level would be kind of in that 483. This is a pretty wild times. So GLD obviously got a bounce 2.5% to the upside. Silver 8%. SLV, that is SLV. And QQQ obviously we ripped to the upside as well. Looking pretty good. We actually got a nice little break to the upside as well on the QQQ. So we're just kind of going over the market here. Obviously we try to pierce through the 695. We hit an all-time high, by the way, today at 696, and then we kind of got a little pullback here down into the 695. So we got a little bit of a indecisive doji here. So let's see how this thing kind of plays out. I mean, it's gonna get pretty interesting. We got what again? We got on Thursday and Friday we got earnings. We also have FOMC on Wednesday. So I think I'm kind of expecting this market to kind of slow down here today. Globex Asia. Maybe the market will try to digest the moves that we've actually got this morning. And on top of that, we got FOMC starting tomorrow with the interest rate decision on Wednesday. And then on top of that, we got earnings coming out on Thursday and Friday. This is jam-packed with a lot of reports coming out. It's going to be a crazy, wild week. I wish I can just shut down everything and just go on a vacation and never come back. This is a pretty wild times we live in. And energy, surprisingly, getting a little bit of a bounce, right? Energy, XLE. And so the technology, obviously, oh man, just stop. Utilities also getting a little bit of a, well, it's kind of holding utilities. So yeah, I mean, Apple 258 obviously hit a high at 288, but I mean, Nvidia still 188, kind of sitting in that 188. Tesla 430, nothing truly there. So a lot of these are earnings on Thursday. Was it Thursday? Yeah, it's on Thursday. Amazon on Thursday. We've got earnings Wednesday. Microsoft earnings Wednesday, guys. Holy mochaccino. Tesla also Thursday. Tesla Wednesday. Tesla, Microsoft. Oh yeah, J-Rod. Thanks, man. Tesla, Meta, Microsoft is tomorrow. Yep. Apple on Thursday. What is on Thursday as well? Google. Let's take a look and see. Google on Wednesday as well. Yep. Google also on Wednesday, guys. Holy, guys. That's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Am I supposed to try to play options on? I mean, how far can we actually go? Can we start to get some kind of I may have to I don't know. I may have to try to short on a swing trade account. That's my personal live account that I trade my equities. I don't normally short, to be honest. I may have to, yeah. I'm thinking about it, but I may not. Datadog. Okay, so we got a lot of earnings coming out. This is on Thursday. This is on Tuesday, February the 10th. Okay. Yeah. Pretty wild times, guys. Let's take a look at the IWM. IWM kind of hit the ceiling there, getting a little pullback here down. The Dow as well, the QQQ, SPY. Okay, so I guess the market is gonna kind of wanting to wait. We'll see how that thing plays out. Now we'll take a look at the silver here, man. Silver had a rip towards the end of the day. That's incredible, guys, man. I mean, who would have ever thought? Who would have ever thought we get this kind of a move? We actually got this whole entire move just towards the end of the day. Yeah, this is literally the whole entire move we got towards the end of the day, guys. Can this be? Yeah, we got this whole move end of the day. Of what time again? Yeah, I mean, well, not end of the day, but I mean, the bigger move was actually done during the power hour. But I mean, the second half of the day, put it that way, we had a move, and that kind of gave us what again? 105 to 112. Oh, sorry, 112. So that's about $7. $7 on silver. We actually got a $7 move on the silver, guys. Edward, what is going on? Catastrophic. iTrace, what is up? RXL. So yeah, it's incredible, guys. I mean, I was definitely not expecting this kind of a move. Luckily, I was not in that move. You know, it's always kind of like, you know, I mean, can you imagine if you're trying to short this market right at this level, guys? If you were trying to short right at this level, what would you have thought? Like, you know, what would have happened if you're trying to short right at this level and you don't have a hard stop on it and you have a mental stop? I'm pretty certain that you would have never respected your mental stop, and it would have just kept going, and you end up blowing your account. I mean, I came back to my phone and I kind of saw it right at this level. I wasn't there at all. I missed this whole thing, but I wasn't there. I wasn't checking the phone, but by the time I saw it was right up here. And so what I did was I ended up taking a little bit of a long position on both gold and the silver as we are trying to pumping in this market towards the end of the day. And I caught the small little moves, but I mean, nothing truly that significant. So that's you know, that's a pretty wild. I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm just still looking at this chart. I'm kind of going, okay, well, shit, man. I mean, it's a wild. This is crazy, guys.
The market is open.
The market's open now, guys. I mean, we'll take it a little slow here. I'm not willing to take any sort of a risk. I've got to really try to be able to take it a little slow here along the way. So, all right, guys, this market is open now. The Globex, right? Not expecting huge. It does look like we are still continue to get a little bounce on the overall market, guys. I mean, there must be some news that we don't know. It could be a little bit of an insider news. It could be some sort of a leak, right? The Fed related, or it could be a tariff related. It could be earnings related, right? It could be one of this. I don't know what it is. It could be also like what Dan Emmons is saying. It could be the what do you call this? It could be the dollar as well. I want to quickly acknowledge something here that lately I kind of forgot to keep talking about is the payout section. So if you guys got nice little payouts that you guys want to share, truly gives a lot of motivation to a lot of traders. Maybe it's a good thing to share if you don't mind. You know, it really truly gives a lot of information to a lot of traders, right? So I just want to go through, kind of acknowledge the accomplishments that our fellow traders are kind of making. So I made a payout requested on the daily payout on the Tradify. I don't even know what honestly, I don't even know why I made this 570. I wanted to just give it a try, and I made it, and it went ahead and you know, got the payout going. So 570, not a big, you know, amount, but I mean, I'll still take it, right? And then now we're just gonna go through the rest of the other fellow traders. We got Scalpster getting appreciation from Funded Next, Limitless Trader. So, unstoppable trader. They should have said unstoppable trader instead of saying limitless trader. But that's the futures bolt, which is obviously the promo is already done. It's not there anymore. But I mean, that's a great little certification that you know, it definitely gives that sense of a motivation to a lot of traders, right? But I mean, that's huge. $5,200, guys, man. That's the, I mean, it's not about the dollar, man, but I mean, that's a significant accomplishment here. You know, a great job, Scalpster, for a fantastic payout. You know, that's incredible. Incredible. And we've got Profit Factor as well, taking this big fat payout here as well. $500, guys. I mean, it's not easy. You see, I've been struggling. I'm barely taking payouts now, but I still took 570, and I'm like, oh, thank you. You know what I mean? So we're there, and we got somebody trading GLD options put 600%. That's incredible. Good job, man. Good job. Adam taking another payout from Lucid, guys. This could be like the 5th payout for Adam on the Lucid. Lucid Flex is a really great account, by the way. I really like the Lucid Flex account. Yeah, great account. Lucid is a great account, guys. And we got it's Lauren taking a lot of payouts as well. That's a lot of money, $4,500 through Top Step too. So very diversified. We got a lot of firms from a lot of traders taking a lot of payouts as well. So super fast Gen 25 as well. A Lucid payout right there. That's $8,000. Awesome, guys, man. Awesome. Really super job. Gen 25, congrats, man. We got Scalpster, another 1158 from Funded Next. Keeps coming, guys. Holy mochaccino. K-Dog, $74,000 on a funded account at Lucid. Lots of money on there. Lucid, please contact support. It's too much money. You made too much money. All right, let's take a look at the P&L right now. Yeah, we got Dude 45 on his pro account, man. Take Profit Trader, pro account, $400. Bang. That's your payout right there, bro. Dude 45, great job. And we've got Harambee, Mr. Harambee, with a huge P&L across 5 different accounts. Awesome. And lots of P&L here, guys. Lots of P&L. Take a look at the P&L section. We got a lot of traders banking. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, guys. Let's get back into trading mode. The market so far, 0.25% to the upside, $65 on the NQ. And let's take a look at the gold. The gold on a 1-minute chart on the right hand side. So far, looking like it wants to get a little bit of a bounce. So let's take it a little slow, guys. I mean, it's not gonna hurt trying to take one step at a time here. Yeah, on the Tradify, the select plan, I kind of prefer the 5-day payout than the daily payout, right? Because you got to get above the buffer, you know, to request the payout to begin with. So nice. The real DC trader banked, crushed on the personal live account. Awesome, bro. I mean, yeah, the grace of God. Yeah, exactly, bro. You gotta do a lot of prayers. Sold out. Grams, what is up, man? Meldum. Oh my God, the names are tough. Dan Emmons, what is up, man? Oh yeah, and by the way, Dan Emmons got. I've got to share Dan Emmons as well. He's got a live account. I don't even know where the heck is it. Pretty huge. I mean, as soon as I saw his live account, I was like, yeah, that's I wish that was mine, to be honest. I wish that was mine, but I really have to kind of acknowledge that too. That's a huge accomplishment. I don't even know where it is now anymore, but I thought I saw it somewhere. I can't see it. Holy mochaccino. I saw it somewhere. He did share though. There we go, man. Guys, Dan Emmons, man. 30,000 live account, live balance, man. A big shout out to Dan Emmons for a huge accomplishment. That's not easy, right? It's tough. tough. I know it's tough. That's why I said I wish it was mine. But congrats to yeah, Dan Emmons for yeah, there we go, man. There we go. 30,000 right there, right? So yeah, this is huge. Huge significance. Huge. So yeah, it's not easy at all, man, to get to $30,000. Not easy. Yeah. I went halfway and then yeah, ended up failing, but yeah, that's what I said. 30,000 to get to the live account, it's not easy. So congrats to Dan Emmons once again. A big shout out, and yeah, I hope you make it that to $1 million. Let's go, baby. Let's make it $1 million. How about that? And everybody else, yeah. So we've got yeah, we got some nice little offers coming out right now as you speak. So we got Apex 90%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend it nicely. We'll do an Apex account giveaway here today, which obviously I was supposed to do it last night. I had some stuff going on my personal front, so I couldn't do it. So we'll do it here today. Let's try to have some fun, guys. Also, I want to let you guys know that we got a big, huge Apex promo, right? So we got a big, fat promo from Apex. Share that here, right? So we got Apex. Oh, where was it again? I don't know. Oh my god, where the heck is it? We had it somewhere. We had it somewhere, guys. I'll share that right now. There we go. So we got Apex. Raja shared. Beautiful. Thank you so mucho. So we have Apex 90% off, right? It's 90% off right now. You're paying $19, 19.7 to be exact. That's the Apex account evaluation, and it's 1 day to pass. No consistency on the eval stage. In any accounts between 25, 50, and 100K are going to be $75 activation. You do not want to be resetting any of your eval accounts because it is 90%, right? So you might as well just cancel the resets if you failed and just reload again at $19.7 on your evaluation, right? And then obviously the activation fee is $75, and that's a one time. And then anything beyond the 100K account, it's 135. So no, 135. What was it again? I think it's 135. So yeah, you want to, you know, me personally, I prefer the 50Ks the most, of course. So that's my preference, but I don't know. So anyways, guys, with that said, we got 90% off on the Apex, and we are going to do our Apex account giveaway here as well. I'm going to actually set up a entry so you guys can go ahead and type in exclamation tag. No right now. Just bear with me, guys. I've got to set it up. But that's in celebration of an Apex offer that's been a while. We had 90% off. The last time we had was 80%. We got the biggest offer right now. Let's try to take advantage of that. If you need to reload because you've blown some accounts, I mean, probably a good time to do that. So yeah, Apex 90% off. You got Take Profit Twitter 40% off as well. Funded Futures Network also not 90% off, but they got 1+1. So you buy one, you get one for free, right? So it's $75 one-time fee, and then you get one extra account for free. This is 1+1. All right, so here you go, guys. I'm gonna start to get into a trade now. Thank you guys for being here once again, everybody. Love you guys, man. You guys are the best. Thank you guys always for hopping in every single day. I go live pretty much every Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and also go live during the morning twice a week. I probably may end up going live tomorrow morning. I'll let you guys know. I will go live depending on my personal situation, but I will, most probably I will, but I'll let you guys know anyways, tonight or tomorrow early in the morning. So I would love to go live in the mornings too, of course. You guys know that I love trading during the biggest and the largest New York session, right? So with that said, guys, let's try to get into some trades. I like the way it's kind of looking like on the NQ here, per se, more so than the silver. And yeah, I mean, silver and the gold is trying to get a little bit of a dip. It would be kind of tough to trade the silver and the gold right at this level now. We are getting a little bit of a support here at the 110. I don't know if this is going to hold. it almost kind of feels like the gold and the silver is trying to digest the big move that we had towards the end of the day. Maybe give us a little pullback here into the 109. I'm kind of looking at that level. 109 could be that level, right? And just gonna do a little bit of a support here that I kind of see. We could be getting down to this level, 109 now. If not, if we hold this 110, then we could try to reverse back higher. But looks like we want to get a little pullback down. Let's see how this kind of plays out. Yeah, but I mean, we had a huge move to the upside, right? I mean, some kind of a pullback is definitely due. How deep of a pullback we gonna get, that is $1,000,000 question. But let's just kind of expect to see a little support here at the 110. Anyways, guys, back to the NQ. It looks pretty good. I like the way it kind of looks like on the NQ, at least so far. But you know, the sentiment changes pretty quickly during the Globex, right? I don't know if you guys noticed, but you know, 5 minutes is pretty bullish, and then all of a sudden the next 5 minutes is pretty bearish, right? The tide keeps changing, and that's the problem with the Globex Asia, right? It's lots of up and downs with no meaningful pattern. That's why it's kind of hard to trade the Globex. But we'll try to still play this price action. I'm gonna try to long. Right now it kind of looks bullish, right? We're trying to do a little bit of a bull flag here, so nice little push to the upside. And then of course we had a nice little breakout on a 1 minute chart on a shorter time frame. So I'm going to be looking for long here, guys.
Order submitted.
Tradebait's kind of glitchy here, by the way. I don't know. So I'm going to try long on a pullbacks here. I look to scale into my trade.
Order submitted.
And then my hard stop is going to be somewhere. Oh, order rejected. I can do any more than that. So I'm going to try to put a hard stop here right in the 125. Hard stop on 125, guys. All right, so and then we're gonna look for a little pullback here, and then maybe try to get filled, maybe 2 or 3, and then try to get a little bit of a push here to the upside. Welcome everybody, welcome. Pro Trader, what is up, man? Flurry Gold, can someone share the Discord link? I will share the Discord link here, guys. By the way, one sec. Yeah, I'll share my Discord link right now. This is my Discord link, everybody. Here it is. Yeah, we got a lot of great traders. I mean, if you are looking, hold on 1 second, guys. No, so much gains. Lucid approved, $3,800 payout. Now let's, oh man, nice, man. Nice. You just need to trade for 5 more days, for $150 or more. That's great. Awesome, man. Awesome. So that's my Discord link, guys. If you guys want to hang out with one of the top traders on a prop and space, here it is. You guys are most welcome, of course. If you guys got any questions, we are most willing to help you guys out for sure, 100%. We're all here to share information with all our fellow traders, and we all support each other, and we push. we try to motivate as much as we can, so we all can kind of succeed all together. I don't sell courses, by the way, so yeah, 12 back, it's $19.7 and $75 on accounts between 25 to 100k, right? So anyone trading silver 300, I mean, it's kind of, well, prop trader, I mean, it's kind of cool to trade the 300k accounts. I mean, don't get me wrong, but I mean, I don't know if that's the way to go. I mean, it's too much energy draining, right? You work so hard, you keep grinding to do something. You know what, to pass, you gotta, that's a lot of work to do, right? $25,000, you gotta, that's the profit target to pass the 300k, and then on top of that you get to the funded stage. Yeah, it takes you a lot of time, and just because you got $6,000-$7,000 of drawdown, honestly, if you're trading silver, $6,000-$7,000 drawdown, it's really nothing that much, right? Nothing truly that much, to be honest. You guys know that, right? $6,000-$7,000 and you're trading silver mini contract, even with 1 mini contract, and if you're on the wrong side, that $6,000-$7,000 can actually go in a matter of a second, right? You guys know that very well. So Deal 45, what is going on, man? What is up? What is up? Yes, Archer, F10, Apex deals are not good. I mean, it depends on where on what angle you're looking at, right? Because Apex, you're paying only $20, a little less than $20 upfront for an eval. So I mean, are you gonna pass all your evals when you list it in certified? I don't think so, right? So you gotta think about that perspective. How do you real look at what is up, man? How you been? I haven't seen you in a while. Zen25, hey bro, man, I'm sorry about what happened to you today. It's tough. It's tough. If anybody here trading silver and gold today, not early in the day, but I mean towards the end of the day, and anybody trying to show gold to silver, I mean, that would have definitely been a very tough day, I'll tell you that much.
Order canceled.
It was
Order
definitely not an
canceled.
easy day, right? So
Order
yeah.
submitted.
Yeah, this price action, nothing truly there at the moment. I mean, we are getting a little pullback on the silver and the gold. Like I said again, guys, I think the silver and the gold is kind of pushing down. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. But I'm trading micro right now. So you're short NQ from 45, looking for 20. Wow, 45 and 20. Oh, I see, man. We're completely opposite. I went long from where again? 40, and I got to stop here at 123. You burned 2 funded accounts today. You're done with trading. I mean, Mermerk. How do you pronounce that? Mer FX. I mean, you lost 2 funded accounts and you're done with trading. I don't know, bro. I mean, in this sort of a price action that we are at, and how volatile the market is, and on top of that, trading silver and gold, it's you know, losing 2 funded accounts. I don't think that's a huge loss. I don't think so. You know what I mean? So we got Trump speaking now. Really? Yeah, exactly. Chin up, bro. I mean, we all lose accounts, you know. We all lose accounts. We lose 1 or 2. Even sometimes we lose 5 or 6, depending on what sort of accounts you're trading. And you know, if you're copy trading, then of course things are gonna get a lot worse. But I mean, at the end of the day, you know, I mean, you lose accounts, but if you're getting nice payouts, that kind of offsets your loss. You know what I mean? So chin up, guys. Chin up. If anybody had a really tough day today, you know, bro, I feel you. You know, it was a tough day, and not just today, but it's been tough for the last couple days and couple weeks, I think, in my opinion. I mean, if you were doing great, that's kudos to you. You did really well on a very tough market environment, right? So that you've been doing well. So you got to be kind of proud of yourself on your accomplishments. But if you were struggling, do not give up, bro. It's just part of the process, and it's really about how you come back stronger, right? That's what matters more. If you want to give up because you lost a couple accounts, it's gonna be tough. You know, you're looking not 1 or 2 months, right? You're looking for many months, many years between now, right? So if you want to last longer in this trading journey, then you've got to stay strong, chin up, like what everybody else is saying, and stay strong, be content, you know, be grateful. We all gotta fight, right? If you got knocked out, stand up and just come back stronger. Fight. All right. And don't be embarrassed. You know, everybody lose. I lose. I did a lot of bad stuff in the last couple of weeks. Tell you that much. But I don't want to bring too much negativity, so I don't talk about it, because I don't want to talk about negative stuff. I want to remind myself that I've got to come back stronger, be refreshed, stay content, smile, you know, bring positivity into my trading. And that's why I don't talk about it too much. But I did a lot of bad stuff as well myself, so yeah. But trading is not easy. Absolutely. If somebody tells you trading is easy, well, it's not typical. Oh, go by once again. Hold on one second. There's something. What is up? Oh, my chart's moving? Okay, there we go. My chart's moving. Oh, I thought it kind of froze. Learning opportunity, exactly, yeah. Never, yeah, my edge. I don't know if it's my edge. I've been using that for too long now. Never giving up. Yeah. Never give up. What is up, man? Casino. PG Contract, what up? Shawnee Glegg. Real Robot. Gary. Humble Mac in the house. Adam B, yo. What up, bro? What up? Real Luca. All right, so I'm kind of still in this trade. I've got 3 micro on the NQ, on the micro NQ. How's everybody else doing? By the way, I forgot to ask, how did everybody do today, right? So, you have never passed an eval in over a year. Trying, but does not mean I give up. Well, if you did not pass an eval in over a year, that's, I don't know, that's, yeah, we gotta fix that. If you didn't pass an eval in over a year, that's a, that's a little bit of a problem, I feel. You know what I mean? Well, we got Real Luca saying, do not spend money on mentors. Uh-oh, guys, man, looking pretty bearish. Now all of a sudden, like I said again, look bullish, now looking bearish. Silver looking to get a little pullback here down. Nothing, I don't know, man. There's just really not there. I mean, I've got a hard stop here. I'm not gonna move my stop, just leave it there as is. If I get stopped out on that, I'll try to reload, re-enter a little bit later. But where are you staying? I mean, there are like, we got some snowstorms across places where, I mean, you guys never seen a snow ever in your life, right? I can't believe Texas is pretty cold. 2 years in the learning curve, so you better start learning. Yeah, I mean, 2 years, man. Brazil, nice. All right, guys, man, are we gonna get a little pullback here down 131? Nothing truly there. I guess. I mean, the market may try to want to stay on the sideline, right? But I wonder, the silver may present some sort of an opportunity if you guys are trading eval. Maybe this could be the time to do that, trading silver, I guess. But silver is moving nicely here, while the NQ is kind of sitting on that range bound. So you took a wealth chart subscription instead of Tradeovate in Apex. How do I change it? There's no real way of changing. Depending on how many accounts you bought on the wealth chart. So let's say if you bought 5, you're gonna have to trade that 5 account, and because you can trade up to 20 accounts, right? So maybe the rest of the other subscription can be done on the Tradeovate. But the accounts that you bought on the wealth chart, you can't move. It's gonna be hard for you to move. Yeah, free mentors all over the place, guys. Yeah, PG, like what PG contract said. I mean, you're trying to buy courses, you're trying to get into the mentorship. You got a lot of free stuff, freebies on YouTube. Amazon offers you courses for $5. I mean, there's really not a rocket science in the trading journey, to be honest. It's all up here. It's all mental. In my opinion, it's all freaking up here. As long as you understand the basics, right, in trading. Understand the basics. You understand the basics. Everything else is up here, and the experience, right? You need experience in your trading journey. You can't be just like, okay, well, you understand the theory, and then you're like, okay, well, I need to stop making profits. That's hard, you know? Texas, yeah, I know Texas has been really cold. I don't even know how can we see it. I cannot imagine myself seeing snow and ice in Texas. I can't believe that. How does that even work, guys? In December, it was like, what again? 25 degrees in Houston. Like, I don't get it. And all of a sudden, it's like you got snow and ice. Wow. Wow. It's like, it almost kind of feels like silver. Unpredictable. Yeah, what a squeeze in the silver, man. Yeah, that's a pretty wild. I mean, I was shocked to see that silver. You know, I'm telling you right now, there's a lot of gurus out there tried to short silver. I wonder how they, you know, how their trading went. I'm pretty sure because they're gurus and, you know, they know how to trade, they're great traders, so they probably cut it loose, as we obviously got a nice little pump to the upside. But imagine if some did not do that. Man, that would have been a wild time. And that too on a personal live account, right? That would have been crazy. That would, like, if with no stop on it, if you were not able to get out, what would that be? That would be a margin call on your personal account if you did. So, yeah, I mean, the only thing good that I did today was ride the momentum to the upside on the micro silver on the listed account. Oh my god, never been easier to trade. Yeah. Which part of Texas? Houston. Oh, not me though. I mean, I don't live in Houston. But Houston's a beautiful place. I've been there a few times, but I like Houston. I like Orlando better though. I like Orlando better. I'm okay with Seattle too, but in the summer, Houston all around all year, I think it's pretty good. And yeah, I need to go visit. I need to go visit New York too. I haven't done that in a long time. Yeah, I like Miami too. I love it. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. I like their cruise. If you're asking, NYC sucks. I like New York. I like the cosmopolitan. Yeah. The San Francisco is okay. Yeah, San Francisco is okay. New Jersey is great. Yeah. New York sucks. All right, guys. Anyways, back here into the trading. 135. Can trade reversion on silver. Yeah, I mean, see, it's hard to catch the trend on the silver unless you get in this big impulsive move, just like the way we got today. It's hard. It's really hard. It makes this freaking moves. The trend kind of changes pretty quickly on the silver and catches you off guard, making you kind of get into a losing trade. And that's why it's kind of hard to trade the silver, especially now. Like hitting all-time high constantly. Now, who would have ever thought the silver would be at 100 and what again? I don't even know, man. Silver was that again. Silver was sitting at 110. Well, 113. 113, guys, man. That's the 113 is silver. I mean, can we? Ideally, obviously, like, I mean, this is some serious move that we are getting on the silver. And it's like an easy $6-7 move up and down, so pretty wild. Hawaii is an easy lifestyle, but Hawaii is expensive, right? Hawaii is expensive. It's only for big gurus like PG Contract and the real Luca. All right, so let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a break here on the NQ. I wonder if it's gonna do though. We may just kind of try to chop here in the range. I'm kind of, well, I like the way it's kind of creating that higher low here. It's still uptrending, right? Still uptrending here. It's still uptrending, by the way. So just take a look at the 5-minute chart here, but just take a look, guys. It's uptrending here. It's uptrending, right? So it's still uptrending. It's still wanting to move to the upside, and we are getting a little bit of a pullback on an uptrending day. Today was uptrending too. I do kind of feel like maybe we could get it up all the way into this topping end of the trend line that could take us to the 160s before we get some kind of a pullback, right, in this market. And then maybe try to reverse down. But I'm kind of looking at this and kind of going, okay, well, we could try to hit the 170 and then maybe try to, I don't know, maybe give us that little bit of a pullback down into the 80s maybe, right? Oh, by the way, guys, we got we'll do our Happy Apex account giveaway in celebration of this Apex 90% off. So if you guys want to support the stream, please take a few seconds at a time to smack the like, guys. Smack it, all right? If you guys want to support the stream, really appreciate it, guys. Definitely gives me that little bit of motivation. I am going to open up the entries. And let's just go back to the 1-minute chart as well right here. I'm long here on the NQ. I'm trying to take it a little slow, guys. I mean, I'm having a little bit of a tough time lately. So I'm usually, when I'm having a rough sort of a week, right, on trading, I try to take a little slow, take a little step back, scale it down, take a little step back, kind of observe the market. You know what I mean? It's not the end of the world. Right? Instead of getting into 25 trades, I'm kind of like trading 5 or 10 maybe in a day. Take it a little slow. If you're not doing that great, it's nothing wrong with that, right? And that's what I'm trying to do right now. So, and so, by the way, I'm going to call out the, well, not a call out, I mean, where's my Streamlab here? Oh, there we go, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, we'll call out the winner at about give or take about 300 likes. So if you guys want to support, please don't forget to smack the like, guys. And I am going to start the giveaway right now, guys. And again, if you're the winner, I'm going to give you 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. So do not forget to do that. Just there we go, guys. I've opened the entries, so go ahead and type in !Tiger at the same time. Take a few seconds to smack the like, guys, as well. Really appreciate it, guys. We'll call out the winner at about 300 likes, and thank everybody for being here as well. Over 500 viewers right now concurrent, and I thank everybody for hopping in every single night. I cannot be any more thankful than that. Love you guys. And now I'm waiting for this market to give me that little bit of a grind to the upside, right? And look to maybe try to peel some profits off the table along the way. Obviously, as we get a push to the upside, we'll see, guys. I've got a hard stop here right at the 126. So if he ends up stopping me out because he's pulling back, then I'm totally okay with that. If you get a bounce, that's great. And I'll trail my stop to the break even as we get a push to the upside, of course, if we get a push. Everybody, thank you once again for being here. Thank you, guys. And the Lucid, obviously, you guys know the Lucid has a promo vault. So that kind of gives you that 40% off on your first 5 orders that you make. That's 40% off that you get, okay, on 5 purchases. And then after that, after the 5 purchases, it goes down to 30%. So you guys want to take advantage. And that's across all the accounts. It's Flex and the Black and whatever you guys want to call it. Up to 5, right? So that's what it is. And it ends on the March 1st. That's the Lucid. I think Lucid Flex is probably the best. I like the Lucid Flex the most. And of course, the take profit trade of 40%. And alongside with that, we got Bulanox also 89. I wonder why they came out with the 89. I mean, why can't it not be at 92? You know what I mean? I don't know. But whatever the case it may be, 89% off on Bulanox. And of course, Apex the biggest and the largest, 90% off right now. And if you guys want to support the channel, you guys can go ahead and use the humble code Tiger, TIGER, across all the PROPFIRM. And thank you guys for doing that as well. And let's yeah, this market's kind of really choppy here at this range. Let's try to have some fun here with giveaways, guys. I mean, and the market's really not doing anything at the moment. It's kind of chopping, really tight chop with 5-10 points here, so nothing truly there at the moment. I might skip trading today, market. Real look, I mean, it's, yeah, I mean, if the market's kind of really slow at the moment, really, I mean, do we really have to get into a lot of trades here? I mean, the market's not doing anything. And by the way, guys, tomorrow is Wednesday. Huge. It's a big, huge day. We got a huge day tomorrow, guys. FOMC. And then you also, top of that, we got Apple. We got a lot of stuff happening. Jam-packed stuff, guys. I mean, definitely tomorrow is the great day for StockTiger to go live. I would love to do that. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. A lot of news, lots of events. Why not? Right? Yeah, I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna smack all my accounts left, right, and center, and just bang, bang, bang all throughout the day. No, just kidding. Yeah, I have to get into a Bulanox. Unfortunately, all my accounts are gone. The Bulanox, man, that's Bulanox thing. I can never do well with Bulanox, man. I have no idea what the heck is going on right now. I just can't get through. Yeah, I've got some work to do here with the Bulanox. I'm failing. Stock Lion is not here at the moment. I sent him on a vacation. I don't know where he is. Maybe he's in somewhere in I don't know. Maybe he's in Venezuela right now. I have no idea. I sent him somewhere far away from me. I'm like, you know what? I had enough of your crap. You know, just get the hell out of here. I don't want to see you anymore. He got pissed. He went far away. Somewhere in that South America area. I would imagine. I think it's maybe Venezuela, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. Yeah. Frontline. Oh, I don't know about that. I kind of miss that sound. I'm doing a lot less right here. Yeah, Stock Glide is banned right now at the moment. All right, temporary banned. Oh, you guys saw my cup? All right, man. Man, this market is just so choppy. It's incredible mochaccino. And by the way, guys, giveaway right now. Type in exclamation tiger and do not forget to smack the like, guys, as well. And we will call out the winner at about 300 likes, guys. So we'll hopefully we get it there pretty quickly so we can actually get something going. And I may do another one as well. Depends how quickly we get it up there. So we'll see. Might get some sleep. Real look, where you at? Guys, man, look at this. We get a little pullback, immediately gets a bounce. Incredible mochaccino. So I don't know what this market is trying to do.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order
All right, so it's
canceled.
working. I just wanted to just make sure the orders are getting executed and there's no lag on the Stratovate. So far it kind of feels okay. Every time I try to place an order, it's working
order
out.
Submitted. Order,
Yeah, it's
order
pretty quick
canceled.
now, but it was
Order
kind of lagging
submit-
earlier
order
though.
sub- order,
All right, anyways,
order
guys, so
canceled.
we are getting a little pullback here in this market. Let's take a look and see how the silver is doing here at the moment. Silver, man, look at that, guys. Beautiful bounce off that EMA, guys. These EMAs are just getting respected all throughout the day, guys. Incredible. I mean, oh my god, man. Anybody trying to short silver, can you imagine how they would be feeling at the moment? You probably need a bigger punching bag than ever. Oh man, I can imagine myself shorting silver. Incredible. I mean, it's really respecting a very important key areas, right? I mean, all the EMAs are getting respected here all throughout the day. What a beautiful bounce that we got towards the end of the day as well. Of course, at the end of the close, we obviously got a little bit of a you know, take profit, if you will, and then got a little pullback towards the end, and then of course the Globex, we got a bounce. We're respecting the EMA 110.8 as well, so maybe we try to grind to the upside here, guys. We try to retest the 112, and then I don't know, but it doesn't look bearish at all to me at the moment, guys, on the silver. But of course, a lot of the bigger moves, I don't know if you guys noticed, it's usually at about 9 o'clock at night. So once the streaming is over, that's when things get pretty exciting, right? It's kind of weird. So I mean, Globex plus on top of that the Tokyo, it's kind of slow, and then it's like starts to be very volatile right after streaming is over, which is kind of weird. Well, not weird, but I mean that's what it's been lately, right, for the last couple of weeks now. So, and I've been kind of missing out on that trades because I usually go to gym a little bit later once the streaming is over. But I don't know. Anyways, gold is holding up good. Precision Trade Lab, what is up, man? But yeah, I mean, yeah, I had a little noodle here today. Noodle. 1 second, everyone. Oh. Sorry guys, I had to just hop into the washroom. Thank you guys for your patience. Yeah, so again, I mean, honestly, a lot of you guys, I'm seeing a lot of payouts and a lot of P&L, and I'm like, man, tough market, but you guys are still banking. I mean, we still have a lot of traders, of course, struggle, but that's obviously part of the journey. But seeing a lot of great trades that you guys are making, It's an absolute motivation for everybody else, including myself. Every time I see those numbers, I'm like, man, it was a tough market, but sometimes I wonder how you guys did it. But you know, good stuff. You know, for me, for the month of January, I mean, it kind of feels weird because I started the month really well, and then I kind of got shaken out, obviously, because trading silver. So I had a rough couple weeks, to be honest. A lot of my payouts that I made for the month of January are pretty much all the profits that I made in December. You know what I mean? So it's like maybe about $15,000 of the total 31K that I've made so far. Say half of those profits were pretty much done in December, and I had to kind of trade for a couple more days to kind of get to payout in January. You know, pretty much. And so not a lot of real January trades that kind of got me into a huge payout, unfortunately. So it doesn't feel as great, but so far I'm kind of sitting at 31. I don't think it's gonna be an all-time high, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to close the month. I would say so it's 31 right now. 31. That tab has to get updated. So at 31 plus, maybe I may have a few more from the listed accounts too. So that's probably gonna get me to 33, maybe about 34. I would say maybe 34,000, but that's not going to be my all-time high at all, right? So, you know, but it's okay, you know. I mean, it's been a tough month, a rough month, but somehow we scrambled. We found a way to get to 34, which is obviously better and better, right? So I'm looking forward to January. I'm looking forward to February though. February, even though it's a short month, it's only 28 days. 28 days. We'll try our level best. I'm kind of building right now. We'll build it right here, right now. We'll keep building to try to see if we can actually get to some much stronger, bigger February, if you will. So we'll keep an eye on that month. February is gonna be. I've got a big target, my personal target, that is, for the month of February. So we'll go ahead and try to do well. You know, I mean, at the end of the day, we gotta keep grinding, right? That's what it's all about. So here you go, man. Nashi, well, chart is so crappy. I mean, we don't really have that many traders trading well chart right now. I mean, anybody trading well chart? I'm not trading well chart. I don't trade well chart. I only have Rhythmic and Tradeovate. That's all I have. I don't trade well chart. Yeah, I mean, honestly, all I really need now is Tradeovate and Rhythmic. So Rhythmic meaning the Quantower. So I trade on Quantower and Tradeovate, and these are the only two platforms that I use. Well, you also have TopStep X as well, but I mean, hope no one is shorting silver. Oh, what's up with the silver? Holy mochaccino, man! Look at this, guys. I mean, are we joking? It keeps going, guys. I mean, nonstop. $6.50. Oh my God, silver, man. But you know what? Wall chart is better than something, though. You guys know Onyx, right? It's better than Onyx. I traded Onyx a few times. I'm like, oh my God, I better get out of this. I can't trade Onyx anymore. You know, it's tough. But the Wall chart is slightly better than Onyx. I'll be honest. You can get two Apex accounts, one on Tradeovate and one. So you gotta load in an account and make sure you load in a Rhythmic account and one on a Tradeovate account. Okay, you cannot be like, you know, loading in two Rhythmic accounts and all of a sudden you try to split the two. But look at the silver, man. It keeps going here, guys. It keeps going. I don't know, man. I don't want to look at the silver anymore, guys. It creates that little bit of FOMO inside you. You know what I mean? It made me think I cut the link too early. Oh my God, really? Were you trading silver? Riyadh? Yes, salam. Why is gold not moving? Well, don't ask me. Go ask gold. Go ask gold. Don't ask me. Yeah, silver long. Nice, man. Yeah, you guys are killing. Yeah, it's tough, man. I mean, you know, you gotta have a lot of mental strength, and of course something else as well. I'm not gonna say right now, but I mean, to trade silver, right? Especially mini silver. The micro silver you can kind of handle, but even then the micro silver kind of moves. A small little moves in the micro silver, kind of you're down about a couple $100, but it's pretty wild. I mean, if you want to be trading silver, yes, Apex 300k is probably the way to go, but even then, I mean, just to trade silver, you want to get into the 300k Apex account. I almost kind of feel like that's a bit of a waste of time, to be honest. Yeah, blackout new network. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Guys, man, what is up with this market, man? While the silver is kind of moving pretty nicely there, you see. I want a long silver. It almost kind of feel like everybody's trading silver now. It's like nobody wants to touch. Well, the NQ really moved nicely towards the end of the day, right? You got this nice little push to the towards the end of the day. Let's see if you can actually get a nice little move on the NQ as well at the same time, just like the way it's moving on the silver. Silver, a little move, you're down a lot, so that's why it's kind of hard to trade silver. But it almost kind of feels like a lot of traders trading SLV, by the way, on their personal live account. Yeah, I mean, are we gonna smack the ceiling on the silver and gold? But you know what, by the way, guys, I mean, gold and silver pushing higher and higher, it's not a good thing. I don't know why. Like, it's pretty weird times we live in now. It's that the silver and gold keep pushing to the upside, and yet a lot of traders actually think it's a good thing for the market, for the economy, but it's really not. Something is just so broken, and that's what I said on the Discord. But I don't know, man. It's a lot of things are broken right now, guys. I mean, a lot of things are broken. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but you know, I was taking a look at the Bitcoin here. But Bitcoin isn't moving, right, as much as the silver and the gold. So the Bitcoin, it's status quo since, I don't know, so many days ago. It was sitting at 94. In fact, we kind of actually got pulled back in the Bitcoin. It's not a safe haven, but everybody flocking into the silver and the gold. So I'm like, it's pretty wild. I don't know what everybody's saying, that the central banks and all the major economies are stacking the gold and the silver, but I mean, I don't know. I don't trust that thing anymore. And do we actually think gold and the silver is really a safe haven? It's hard to say. I don't think that's probably not entirely true, but you know, it's a tough market. It's a really confusing market too. And we are already at 26,140 on the NQ, guys. I mean, think about it. A few days ago, we were sitting at $25,000. It really did not take too long to get another 1,000 points to the upside, and we are now sitting at 26,140. It almost kind of looks like we may try to hit the all-time high again, right? Why not? We're only about a few hundred points away, I think. If I'm not wrong, right? Are we just a few points away? Let's take a look, guys. I mean, let's just go back to the hourly chart and just take a look and see where we're at right here. Yeah, the all-time high was at 26,650, guys. I mean, we're not far away, guys. We're not far away. Let's just move back to the daily chart here for a moment. But yeah, we're we're at 26,600 area was the all-time high, and this market looks like we're trying to push for another leg to the upside. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but take a look, guys. I mean, just look at the chart. This is on a daily chart, by the way. Once we pierce through this 140, once we pierce through this 140 and this 140 actually starts to hold, this is gonna be a huge, massive move to the upside, right? And it wouldn't take us a long time to kind of get it to 600 area. It wouldn't take that long. 600 area is only about 500 points away from where we are now. So, I mean, we moved 1,000 points on a single day, on a good day, that is, right? So, I mean, 500 points on any 500 points. I think it's easy peasy for NQ standpoint. So, I think we could easily get it up there and try to hit all-time high again before we try to get any kind of a pullback in this market. So, get ready, guys. I mean, a lot of stuff is gonna happen here in the next few days, and I think yeah, it's pretty wild. What is going on here? Like I said again, I mean, if you just take a look at the SPY here, SPY looking like it wants to just keep ripping here to the upside. And at the same time, if you just take a look at the Apple too, Apple is trying to look for some reason to get a bounce, right? And maybe, I think the earnings, of course, we got on Wednesday, right? So Wednesday, oh sorry, on Thursday. So we got Tesla, Microsoft, and Google tomorrow, right? So tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So it's gonna be a while, guys. I mean, maybe initial pullback and then maybe try to reverse back higher. I think this could trap a lot of bears. And it will eventually take us up higher. I think that's what it's trying to do. And just based off the chart, the technicals that we see at the moment as well. I mean, this is, well, we're just Globex now. We got Tokyo in about a minute, by the way. I completely forgot about that. Yeah, 3%, that's all you need, guys. I mean, Paulo Santos just said nicely, 3% is all you need. And we are, that 3% is not difficult. Right, when this market's kind of moving 5, 6, 7 points percent, it's yeah, it's not hard. Yeah. So anyways, guys, we got Tokyo now in about 30 seconds. Let's wait and see how this Tokyo is gonna present a trend. Are we gonna pull back here? Is Tokyo gonna try to fail this market to the downside, or what is it gonna do? Can you copy trade on Tradevate? Absolutely, you can trade. You can copy trade on Tradevate all day long. But you can only copy trade on one firm at a time, right? So you can't be copy trading different firms because they are all in different browser. So one firm, one at a time, you're good to go. And once again, thank you everybody for being here. It's a beautiful Tuesday afternoon, and tomorrow's gonna be a big deal. Like I said again, tomorrow is gonna be a big day. We got a lot of events happening tomorrow, including the earnings on Microsoft, Google, and Meta after the hour, right? So it's gonna be a big fat day. I'm most probably gonna be live tomorrow morning, so let's have some fun tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be very exciting. You guys, yeah, it's gonna be a wild morning. I tell you that much. Crazy day. Holy mochaccino. Hopefully I don't wreck my accounts. Hopefully I have a great day tomorrow. I'm hopeful that we have a great day tomorrow, all of us. You know, try to play safe. Tomorrow could be the day to trade your, if you guys are obviously needing to load in some accounts. I mean, tomorrow could be the day to do that with Billinox, still 89%. So you'll probably end up paying about maybe about $20, maybe $21 on your Billinox evals, maybe. So Billinox evals, but of course they're no longer trading on Project X, so you're gonna have to load in. Well, you don't really have an option with Billinox other than Rhythmic Quantower, which is totally fine with me because I trade Quantower anyways. So I'm totally fine with the Quantower trading on Billinox, so that's cool by me. So maybe trading that tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see. And then I may be trading silver on my listed tomorrow morning. So we'll see, guys. I think a lot of stuff going on A lot of things to do tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a crazy wild day, I say that much. Yeah, a lot of roller coaster here. A lot of roller coaster. Can you guys hear me? Can somebody let me know if you guys can hear me now? Oh, you guys can hear me? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Oh, blackout. It keeps stopping you out. I mean, oh man, look at that, guys. I mean, this is what I was talking about. Look at that dump now. Oh my god. Look at this dumpage on the silver. Yeah, it's tough to trade silver, man. I mean, who would have thought we're gonna get a rejection off that 113.4? It's kind of hard, right? I mean, it's up and down. Probably just might as well just stick to the micro and Q here for a moment. I will be trading silver tomorrow, though. We'll see. Depends on how difficult it is to trade the NQ tomorrow morning. I want to climb out his roll before the dump. What do you mean? Loud and clear. Oh, you hear? Okay, you hear me? Okay, that's nice. Okay. All right, thanks you guys for confirming. Paul Verizer, what he talked about? I don't understand. Leverage on the silver is just crazy. Yeah, I know, man. It's pretty wild. If you're trading SLV, maybe it's a lot easier, right, to trade the silver. NQ, I mean, it's been moving nicely in the mornings, right? But it's been bad at night and overnight, and I think that's probably because I think a lot of traders are kind of maybe trading silver on their live accounts. I kind of noticed that a lot of traders kind of putting their attention into the SLV on the silver, right? So even during the day, no, I mean, on the first for about 2 hours on a day, early in the morning, it's nice. I mean, too much fake outs. I mean, you had more fake outs with the the silver and gold. The biggest fakes are in the gold and the silver, in my opinion. But I guess it really depends on what sort of a trader you are too, right? I mean, it's hard to say. What are the tickers for silver? It's SILH6 for micro silver. For mini silver, it's SIH6. In case knowing the yeah, I mean. Guys, by the way, we got giveaway here, right? So we're getting pretty close. Please not forget to smack the like as well if you guys want to support the stream. We'll call out the winner at about 300 likes, guys. We'll go ahead and do that. And by the way, 1 second. Yeah, we got quite a few offers right now. I mean, I thought the offers are over, you know, but we got some nice offers right now, right towards the end of the month. I think a lot of traders are having a little bit of a tough time with obviously silver, so we're racking a lot of accounts. I think a lot of these firms are coming up with the nice offers, which is great. Listed 40%, right? Tradify 35, and then we got the Apex 90% off, Bullanox 89. We got Take Profit Trader 40% off, Funded Features Network $75, 1+1 BOGO deal, so you get one account plus another free eval as well. So you get 2 accounts for $75. That's fantastic. And I didn't see anything from PDS, so I'm not sure at the moment. I'm gonna have to kind of wait for their deals, but And we also have a great deal from Top Step too, 0%. And by the way, guys, we're getting a little bit of a pop in the NQ, so let's try to see if we can hold this. I'm gonna trail my stop to break even now. Well, I lied. I'll have a stop at 134. Let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a push here now that we are getting a little bit of a pop, right? So while the silver and the gold is kind of chopping in the range, let's try to see if we can actually get a little more push here on the gold. On the NQ. I like the way it kind of popped. A little bit of a break to the upside. Let's see, guys, we hold, and let's see if we can actually get to maybe 170 area. That's my target. 170 will be my target. You're up 6,000 lockout, man. Profit guru, man. You are the real guru there. I'm assuming you traded silver, right? Because to get $6,000 profit, you probably have to trade silver, and that's a lot of risky too. The Top Step, yeah, Top Step's got a great deal right now, man. It's got 0%, zero. Andi. Tumalime, Andi, 0. KRV, hey, बात तुमको हमें हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा मालूम है ना. Yeah, man, I also got outraged too, but I never got a freebie account with the Top Step. What the heck is their problem? Yeah, I got outraged too in December myself. Guys, man, I was just making fun of Top Step. You guys keep asking what's the deal with the Top Step. I said 0%. That's obviously a little bit of a joke. Oh, you didn't get a freebie account? You didn't get a reset? We have a lot of traders that actually got a reset too. Free resets, but I never got any account. Salah chutiya mein malum nahi hai. Live, yeah, man. Hey, you got a lot of traders from India too, right? Guys, type in 1 if you're from India. You're right, man. Guys, I mean, look, you know, we're gonna have bad days, whether you like it or not, man. But honestly, I've kind of realized that even if you have a bad day, bad trades, blow accounts, I mean, I've got to find a way to keep smiling and be positive, because if I don't do that, guys, man, you're gonna wreck more and more accounts, right? So what's the point in doing that? What's the point? Like, what do you gain? You know what I mean? Ya ana kalam Arabi شوية بس. You guys must be going, how the hell he speaks Hindi? Well, guys, hey, let's not try to know too much, okay, about StockTiger. All right, no red line, guys. But what a pop here, man. Trail my stop. I mean, I'm not trying to make a hero trades here today. A Globex, you know what? There's only so much you can kind of expect to trade during the Globex, right? So I'm kind of like, you know, I'm trying to get into better trades versus trying to make PNL, you know, at the moment. So we'll see. Multilingual, yeah. Yeah, nobody seems to care about my trades at the moment. We're talking about the languages now. trading for the W. Yeah, just leave me alone about my adventure, Hindi. All right, guys, man, I'm just gonna take my profit here and just will kind of walk away. I took my profit there. Nice little trade. Nice little trade. We'll walk. We'll look for another pullback here, and we'll try to get another trade. Let's see, man. We could just keep going here to the upside. I'm gonna get in with one now.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh my god, we got so many fellow traders from India. Nice, man. Great to see you guys, man. Yeah. I lived in Hyderabad for some time. Just put it that way. Okay, let's not go too much into details, okay? Let's leave it at that, okay, everybody? Hindi speaking. All right, so let's get a little balance, guys. I mean, this leg to the upside, I think we probably have a little bit more room. On site, Cruise Swan. That's pretty close. Holy smokes, man! How the heck this guy actually get pretty close? Elendal says he needs to come to me. I told him my door is always open. Paul Verizer. All right, guys. So we are getting, well, we had a nice little break to the upside here, right? We got a nice little break to the upside here. Maybe we kind of hold this and try to push for another leg to the upside, guys. Maybe I'll try to go a little more aggressively on this. The next little trade that I'm going to get into. All right, we held nicely. We got a nice little break to the upside. No, I don't get that joke, Paul Verizer. You guys speak in Hindi. Guys, show some love. We got over 700 viewers right here, right now, today. And I obviously thank you guys for being here. Let's try to take a few seconds of your time to smack the like, guys. We'll call out the winner about 300 likes. Apex account, any account size, of course. And that's the giveaway that we have here. Type in exclamation Tiger, of course, to give yourself a chance to participate as well. And yeah, and Apex 90% off as we speak. And we got FOMC tomorrow, and alongside with that, we got also jam-packed. What else? We got Microsoft, Google, and Meta all coming in with their earnings tomorrow as well, guys. It's gonna be a big, huge, fat day. A lot of stuff gonna happen, so keep that in mind. Maybe it's a good thing to kind of just you know, stay on the sideline the whole entire duration of the day. But I would most probably, for me, go live tomorrow morning, just so you guys know. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. Hopefully I don't rack any accounts, or hopefully I don't get into a lot of silly trades tomorrow, right? I'm gonna obviously take a little bit slow, but I will be more aggressive, right? I will be willing to take a stab, because sometimes you gotta take a stab, right? Because if you keep saying, oh no, let me just go a little conservatively, you know, or let me just try to be careful. If you keep saying that all freaking day, then that's, you know, it's like, you know, I don't know. It's gonna be a tough day, in my opinion. So sometimes I gotta change this mentality, you know what I mean? Take a stab sometimes, because if you do that, you kind of get rewarded, right? Dan Amons, NQ hasn't been this high for this contract since November 3rd. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm telling you now, I wouldn't be surprised if he hit all-time high. Like I said again, 26,600 area is the all-time high, and we're getting pretty close to that, right? So we got Shanghai in about 40 minutes, by the way, so that's gonna get pretty exciting. I wonder what that's gonna kind of move the silver, because I'm well, while I'm trading NQ, I'm also keeping an eye on the silver, right? What is Shanghai going to bring to the table? Why don't we do a little bit of a poll here, guys? I want to find out what you guys think. Let's do a little poll here, guys. All right, I'm doing a little poll here. I want to find out what you guys think. I want to know. We got let's find out, guys. I want to know. So what do you guys think once the Shanghai opens in about 40 minutes? Where do you guys see silver moving? Is it going to be to the upside or is it going to be to the downside? So I think this is going to be a very important vote, because obviously a lot of traders wants to find out as well where this market's going to go, right? So it does kind of look like it wants to push. So maybe we get an initial pullback here down, maybe. So we had a little bit of a push down here early. We may try to get something like that here as well. And maybe try to find a support here in this area. So maybe we may get something like that here, right? And then eventually find a way to grind back higher. Maybe we may try to push, and then it kind of pulls. Oh man, what is this drawing, man? Chart of 8 drawing is just the greatest, the biggest and the largest. So we push, we kind of pull back here, and then that kind of fakes, and we push higher, right? So Shanghai open, we may try to give us a pullback, right? A little pop, initial pop, and a pullback, and then a higher. I don't know. I'm just kind of guessing at this point, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like that. You know what I mean? Give us a little bit of a fake, a pump, and then kind of pulls back pretty hard for another 3-4 points, and then maybe get a bounce off that level, 110. I don't know. So we got 75 votes so far in a favor of a silver moving higher right after Shanghai. So it's gonna get pretty interesting. So yeah. It will be higher. I mean, everybody thought the silver is going to give us that pullback here right at the I don't know, silver was at $100, right? And everybody thought maybe that could be the ceiling on the silver. And we also had a lot of traders shorting silver at about 105, but of course it ended up just get bouncing, getting a squeeze. I think maybe the shorts got squeezed. I think that's what it is on the silver, because they thought we are going to get a pullback, but I don't think this bounce on the squeeze on the silver is over yet. We'll see. I mean, until we start to see some cracks, you know, I mean, there's really no point in trying to guess, right? Until it breaks, let's just try to be long. But that's a wild, you know, volatile, big swings on the silver. So it's kind of really hard to trade that freaking thing, because it's, even if you're trading micro silver, man, that's like moving so much. You know what I mean? Who is this Jamin? Jamin G3M? Do you think that my fund futures will pull funding ticks on us? What do you mean? And who is this Jamin, by the way? I have no idea. Are you Jamin, the options diamond on our Discord? Is that you? Maybe, I'm not sure. But I'm not sure what your question is, by the way. My funded futures will rug pull, is that what you're saying? Just like the way we got from funding ticks. Oh, that's you, Jamin? Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Sorry, man. Sorry about that. Didn't recognize your nickname changed again, so I'm not sure. What the heck, man? Min-max infinity, that's you. That's so messed up, man. I have no idea what the heck's going on right now. Anyways, guys. Min-max. Oh, well, whatever. Anyways, back to the trading, guys. I mean, so far we're not doing anything. We're just kind of sitting in that range. And so far, nothing truly there at the moment. So nothing we should do, I think. You know what I mean? I don't want to kind of try to force myself into a trade and it's like nothing there at the moment. Maybe try to trade gold, right? So while we are trading NQ, maybe try to long on gold. Maybe, I don't know, man. Gold's already up like quite a lot. Maybe trade.
Order submitted.
Yeah, maybe I could trade micro gold. Maybe.
Order submitted.
Order rejected.
Cancelled. Order
filled.
All right, so I'm gonna have a hard stop
Order
here.
submitted.
I wonder how the, what do you call this? The Shanghai is gonna move both the metals. We'll let the drawing while we wait. I'm still on a February contracts. And do you like Tradify more or Lucid? Oh, min-max infinity is J-min. Okay, I see. So you lied, J-min. What the heck, man? So many J-mins right now. Incredible. I like both, I'll be honest. Tradify and Lucid, I like both. I like Tradify's website, to be honest. So cool, you know what I mean? They probably have one of the finest website ever on a PROPFIRM space. That's what I really like about their website. But I mean, as far as the account is concerned, I think it's relatively similar, but I would still go with Lucid Flex because they're slightly more cheaper, right? So I mean, that doesn't mean that I'm not going to trade Tradify, because you can only trade 5 accounts at a time with any of these firms, right? So, you know, Tradify 5, Lucid 5, why not? You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind paying $10 more to trade the Tradify accounts. They're all both pretty good now because, you know, I was not a big fan of DLLs, right? And they kind of got rid of that. So both Tradify and Lucid got rid of the DLL. And I've been pushing and asking for getting rid of the DLL for the longest time ever. So yeah, the silver is bankrupting properly. I don't know about that, but I can certainly tell you that maybe a lot of traders are also struggling to hold on to their accounts for longer because of silver too. So it's kind of give and take, to be honest, right? But that was a nice little joke there. I like that.
Order
filled. Order filled. Rejected.
Order cancelled. Order
filled.
Nice little push here, guys, by the way, on the hold on.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm trying to long NQ. So I flipped back to NQ, guys, instead of trading the micro. So I flipped back to NQ. I went long from 163. That's where it got filled. And I'm gonna be still looking for that 175 into 175 push. We'll take the profit there.
Submitted.
I could now move my stop to break even, to be honest. So if we end up getting a pullback, then I get stopped out at the break even, which is fine. Actually, you know what? No, I should be moving my stop to somewhere 158-ish. Probably a good spot to kind of try to put my stop at. Because I think if we pull back into the 150s, then I think this is no longer bullish, right? A little bit of a change in the structure here, of course, on a shorter time frame, but yeah, it's hard to draw my channel. You know, like I obviously I do a lot of channel trading, the range bounds and the trend lines, but it's hard to do that on Tradeovate. So I don't really put too much attention trading off. Trading the Tradeovate itself is kind of hard to do the drawings, but so I just you know, unfortunately there's only so much you can do with Tradeovate from a drawing standpoint. I would love to have the trend line, of course, the horizontal support and the resistance levels to kind of gauge where this market's gonna really go on a longer time frame. But the thing is, if you do that here on Tradeovate, and when you try to go to the shorter time frame, that drawings that I had on the larger time frame kind of goes away. So it's like really hard. Like right now, on a larger time frame on a 1 hour chart, looks pretty bullish, guys, overall, right? It looks really bullish. Yeah, it looks really bullish, guys, on a longer time frame. I'm on a 15-minute chart, by the way, here now on the right hand side. Actually, you know, I'll just move back to 30-minute chart, but look at this, guys. Solid looking chart here right now. Incredible. Just gonna move my stop to break even now, guys. Actually, you know what, I'll kind of trail to the 165 and look to see if we can actually get a little bit of a push. Trading view, I don't like trading view, guys. I mean, I like the charting on my trading view, but I don't like the execution on my trading view. I know a lot of you guys do, especially the ICT traders. They use trading view, but I don't know, man. I just don't feel very comfortable trading the trading view. Do you think I'm wrong? If you think I'm wrong, just let me know so I can maybe try to take a look and see if I could trade back into the trading view. And thank you guys once again for being here. It's very easy compared to, yeah, I mean, from a user friendly standpoint, I think, yeah, it's way better. But for executions though, the order executions, I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not getting it right on my Tradeovate. So I may have to do, I may have to work on some features on my Tradeovate. Guys, man, it keeps going here. Holy mochaccino, man. You've got to be kidding. It keeps going, guys. While the silver is... silver's not doing anything at the moment, but the real moves are actually on NQ at the moment, guys. I don't know what it is, but it's moving. So far, it's kind of moving. The mochaccino bounce is real on the NQ. I'm gonna have my stop here, guys. I'll actually, you know what? I lied. I'm gonna move my stop to 170 now. Let's put a little bit of a tight stop on this. And like I said again, the 175 was my final take profit there in that range. I'm gonna exit it right here. Actually, you know what? Why don't we just freaking hold it, guys? I mean, what the hell, right? I'll just move my stop to pretty much a break even and kind of hold this trade. Why not? You know, I mean, there's probably better off trying to hold. Looks pretty bullish here. We may get a little pullback here down as well, but I mean, I would rather just try to hold on to this and instead of trying to get into a trade again a little bit later. Now I can kind of try to trail this trade. Holy mochaccino. You gotta be freaking my cappuccino. Wow, man, that bounce is unreal. Maybe final take profit getting pretty close here now. Let's just close it right here. Or just keep pushing. Are we gonna keep pushing? If we get a pullback here and try to stop me out, well, it is what it is, but we'll see, everyone. 179 right now. That's a 5 points pullback. Maybe I'll try to, yeah, 169. I'll leave it there. We'll see how far we can actually keep pushing. Guys, we're getting pretty close. Not forget to smack the like, guys. We'll call out the winner at about 300 likes. If you guys want to support the stream, I really appreciate it, guys. Truly means the world. And thank you guys once again for being here as well. We got over 650 viewers every day. By the way, for the newer viewers, I go live every night, Globex at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and also go live at least twice a week in the mornings, right? The biggest and the largest trading session, New York. And if you don't want to get missed, then don't forget to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time Stop Lying again. Did I just say Stop Lying? Sorry, that's not true. StockTiger goes live in the morning. Do not forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I go live. Thank you everybody once again for being here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. We are experiencing the market turbulence. Stops are in place. The trade tables are locked.
Order
Oh
filled.
shit, guys! Holy mochaccino!
Order cancelled.
My TP, I was trying. That's fine. I mean, TP's got filled, but look at this pump, man! Incredible! Wow! Look at this push. That was a beautiful trade right there. What an incredible! That was a nice little. Yeah, that TP got filled. So I mean, now I'm gonna have to look for. I'm gonna look to trade the micro now. So I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback here on the micro. Maybe let's. I mean, some kind of a pullback is due, right? We got a whole bunch of EMAs kind of waiting to curl back higher as well. So maybe by the time we pull back into the 170s, you know, and then we've got the EMAs. So we got the VWAP also trying to curl higher as well. So let's try to look for a little pullback here on the market before we start to get another leg to the upside, and then and look to try to long again.
Order submitted.
And I'm gonna start to place my limit orders here, guys, on a pullback.
Submitted. Order submitted.
I kind of expect to see a little bit of a the VWAP, maybe VWAP maybe get a bounce. Oh, what the heck's going on here, guys? A little bit of a. All right, there we go, guys. Maybe by the time we see a pullback in this market back into this little box that we have, you could see this VWAP kind of crawl back higher as well into the 170s. So Let's see. I'm going to be looking for a little push down. Let's see. We try to push, kind of pull back here, and we try to push back higher again. Something like this. Or we're just going to go straight in one line. Maybe. We already 0.5% up here, guys. $130 here now to the upside. So yeah, it keeps going. It keeps going, guys. I mean, holy mochino. It keeps going. Let's take a look at the silver here as well. The silver is kind of itchy-witchy. It's kind of sitting there in that range. But the real clean moves are in the NQ. What does that mean? Is this in front of some sort of an insider news that maybe may have leaked? I don't know. Maybe it is. But definitely is moving. So I'm still looking for a little pullback here down, guys. I mean, kind of expect to see a little pullback into the 170s and try to go long from there, right? You got some TQQQ. Oh man, real raw bot. I hope you the very best in that TQQQ. If you guys were in that trade to the long side, good to see you guys, man. That was a nice little push that we got in this market, guys. 0.5%. We hardly got any move during the day today, this morning, right? And then it's like, I don't know, it's wild to say the least, but it's kind of weird. Some days, Asia market seems to be a lot more exciting, especially with silver moving really nicely during the Globex, right? And the silver obviously during the Tokyo and Shanghai, in particular Shanghai. Pretty interesting times. We are still pushing here, guys. I wonder how far we're gonna actually keep moving here to the upside, but interesting. So where is the let's take a look at the ES, man, also going pretty wild. We broke out on the ES too. So man, look at this beautiful looking NQ chart. Holy mochassino. Incredible, guys. I mean, this is wild. I love it. I love it. I love the way it looks, man. This candles look so bullish, it's not even funny anymore. We could get an impulsive move. I really wonder how far we're gonna go. We're at 200, so maybe we try to hit all-time high pretty close to tomorrow morning. By the time we open our eyes tomorrow morning, we may be at 600. Who knows, right? And then we're like, okay, well, the day's over now, and we haven't even started the day. In obviously tomorrow morning, the NQ already up 600. Yes, no more FOMC. Incredible. Guys, I'm gonna go grab more water in the meantime, guys. Exclamation Tiger, obviously, to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. Apex account giveaway happening here pretty soon. And do not forget to smack the like, guys. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Thank you. All right, fellow traders, StockTiger is back. He is back again. And this market, wow, man. Are we gonna have any juice tomorrow? Maybe there's no juice tomorrow morning, everybody. We're at 26,200 now. We're only about 400 points away from all-time high. ATH. I'm still looking for some kind of a pullback here, guys, before I can kind of step into this trade. Woo! I just got paid from Tradify. Wow, $500, guys. Whoo, baby. Oh, still struggling to get payouts, guys. Holy mochaccino. How are your payouts coming out, guys? Everybody, if you guys want to share, let me know, man. Anybody getting some great payouts? And honestly, even if it's $10, it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, it's payout, right? And that's what really matters. All right, guys, I'm looking for that little pullback here, man. Let's try to look for a little pullback. But look at this bullish candle, man. This is a massive bullish candle that I'm seeing here. And this could just keep going. Oh, my God. All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day for us to do our giveaway, and it's going to be Apex Scout, guys. And by the way, do not forget, it's 90% off right now, Apex, and we got FOMC tomorrow with a lot of earnings coming out from Meta, Google, and Microsoft. You guys know what that means. We are gonna go ahead and call out our giveaway, guys, everybody, and thank you guys for your participation, and thank you guys for being here as well every single night with us. Thank you so much, Mochaccino. The mochaccino is great, and the cappuccino was solid. This market keeps moving, guys. I'm gonna call out the winner, everybody. It's that time of the day, and thank you guys for all your true support. Without you guys, this stream does not really mean anything. So I want to thank you once again, and I do this all the time. Thank you and love you guys. We are going to close the entries now. We're going to go ahead and do our giveaway call out, guys. And the entry is closed. And now let's try to find out who the winner is going to be on this beautiful Apex account. Don't forget, you have an activation. You got to pay for an activation. That's $75 if you pick an account between 25, 50, and 100K. And that's the 75 if you pass, that is, right? For now, this is Apex account, eval account giveaway. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna pick the winner now. And the market is giving us a little bit of a pullback here, which is great. I want to pick the winner, guys. Let's go, baby. We got Chris in the stick. Chris in the stick. I'm gonna give you 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Chris in the stick. You got 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us now. "48 seconds. 48 seconds, guys. And let's take a look at this market. In the meantime, we are getting a little pullback here. We talked about this, and we are getting a little pullback. Let's see how far of a deep pullback we get here. I like to kind of like to see a little pullback into the 180s, maybe 180s. I wouldn't mind 180.
Order rejected.
I'm just gonna move my entries. We are too far off. That could be a little bit too far off. So I'm gonna be looking for a pullback at least into, I would say, the 180 zone. We got 15 more seconds for Mr. Chris in the stick to confirm. If not, then we're gonna roll, redraw, find a new winner in the house. And if you guys type in more than once, I'm gonna have to give you a little bit of a timeout, which all right. That was, I'm gonna find a new winner, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner now again. All right, good luck, everybody. Lilesh Boka. Lilesh Boka. All right, I'm gonna give you 1 minute too. 1 minute to confirm that you are here. If you're not, then we're gonna redraw again and again and again until we find a home. So Lilesh Boka. So you've got a little less than 45 seconds to go. And you gotta let me know if you are here.
The market is open.
The market is open now? What the heck does that mean? Come on, Ninja. All right, so we got a winner here, guys. Lilesh Boker is here in the house, guys. Holy mochaccino. See, you never win a giveaway. Win away. Wow. So we have a winner here, guys, man. Congrats to Lee Lester. We got a winner, everybody. Congrats once again, Lilesh Boker. I'm gonna have to have you DM me on Discord. And by the way, our Discord link is here. I'm gonna share that again. I'm gonna share the Discord link here once again. My Discord link is there, everybody. Use that link to hop in. And to the winner, you're gonna have to get into the Discord, and obviously I'm gonna have to have you DM me, and we'll go from there. And now let's see if we get a little pullback here, guys, in this market. I'm not getting any sort of a signal at the moment. I will be live tomorrow morning too, FYI, everybody. Most probably at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. I would definitely love to see everybody back in, of course. All right, guys, we are getting a little bit of a push here in this market. I'd like to see a little pullback, though. You know what I mean? Instead of getting a push. So we'll see if we can actually get a little push down and maybe try to hold the 180s, right? And that's going to be looking for. That's my target here right now. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm still bullish overall in the NQ, right? I'm just looking for that little bit of a push down if I can. Oh my mochaccino, man. Are you like, is this real? We actually got a big fat bounce on the silver, is that right? Wow, man, look at the silver moving as well, man. What is this, guys? Everything's just moving. I mean, it's just moving to one direction, which is north, to the upside, guys. I mean, what the heck is going on right now? I mean, can we get some kind of a pullback, please? Wow. Gold up, silver up, NQ up, Bitcoin kind of chopping, consolidation range. I mean, I don't know, guys, man. Everything is just moving to one direction. You guys don't see something smells pretty hard? SC Joe the boss, this is when the market will close. Yeah, do we have a little bit of a circuit breaker maybe sometime soon? Where do you want pullback, Tiger? At 160? The one, let's take a look. Jeez, man, we just literally broke out. So the next level of resistance is gonna be somewhere, I would say I think the next level of resistance is probably going to be in that 268 area, guys. That's the next level. And then of course we have a, I'd like to see a pullback here into the I would say 160s to 170s maybe. I think that's probably a good spot, and that's what I did here. I drew that line there to kind of see a little pullback down to this. But man, this is the problem. It's really hard to kind of draw in this Stradivate. I hate it sometimes. Oh my mochaccino. I'm gonna do this whole thing, man. Sometimes it really annoys me. I mean, usually I wouldn't want to do that on Stradivate, to be honest. I mean, I'm doing this because it's we're on a stream. I would honestly care less, to be honest, because I know where those levels are, right? But oh my god, it keeps going. Are you kidding me? Right, so there we are, guys. There we are. So we got these levels now, right, on watch. So we're gonna now have to kind of watch and see. I'd like to see a pull back into the 170s. So the China market is still not yet open. I think we still have another 30. Oh my god, it keeps going, guys. All right, so let's try to see if we can actually get to $200 on the silver. Why not, right? Why not? Why not, everybody? I like to have a silver on the sideline here, guys. One second, I wanna. Let's take a look at the silver here on the right hand side. I mean, forget about the gold. Let's take a look at the silver. Oh my mochaccino, man! It keeps going. Jeez, man. I mean, this is, are we serious about this? Yeah, I mean, how can you catch this move on the silver? Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of you know, mental strength to go long, especially with one mini contract. It's gonna be really tough to do that. But what is going on with the chart? Something's broken. Three MGC is the sweet spot. Yeah, I think three, that really kind of makes sense. Order rejected, you know, 3 micro gold. I think that's probably the way to go, and I like that idea. And by the way, why the heck is MGC go? Yeah, 3 micro seems to be just about right. A really nice spot, to be honest. I agree. Yeah, you have a good point too. You have a good point, real DC trader. Cool Bob, what is up, man? What is up, brother? Gold. Let's take a look at the gold again. You started making more money when you stopped trading M and Q at night. Gold has been cleaner moves. It also kind of makes sense. It almost also, I mean, lately it's been like that. Yeah, I agree. I'm not gonna lie. So far the market is difficult to trade. I'll be honest. At this sort of a price action we are getting, I mean, Wow, man, silver, it almost kind of smells, something smells so bad that silver may try to make a move. I don't know in which direction it's gonna go. It does look like it wants to just go straight to the moon, but I mean, you could also get a nice little pullback here on the silver, just like how we got here, right? On this we got pullback, on this we got pullback, so we could see this is another leg to the upside, but it's kind of like in that topping end of the trend line, that ascending triangle. We're kind of pretty close to that, so right, we may get a little rejection here, or maybe not a rejection, just a little pullback here, right? We kind of hit the ceiling meaning just the topping end of this trend line here, so we could get a little pullback here down into the support that would be 113 in change, and then maybe try to get a little bounce and maybe back into the VWAP. I'm just not sure where it's gonna go, but I mean, we have this little bit of a ceiling here right now, so let's see if we get a little pullback here down. And in the meantime, the NQ is trying to break out, guys. I mean, NQ is trying to break out. I really wonder if we have what it takes to kind of give us that another leg to the upside right here, right now. The volume, where's the volume, guys? It kind of disappeared, but I'm assuming the volume is kind of dead as well. Oh, you messed up, Cobalt? Well, it's all right, bro. It's all right. I mean, everybody messed up, including myself. The market has been difficult last month. Last week. Last couple of weeks, I think it's been hard. Especially if you're trading silver, I think it kind of really made things very difficult, I'll be honest. So Chuck Boris Norris in the house, man. What up, brother? What do you mean contracts do you trade with? What contracts do you trade with the 50K? What do you mean? I'm not sure. If you are below the buffer, you can only trade with 4 contracts, right? And then once you get above the buffer, then I think you are able to trade the full size. God, man, there's so many chat here. Guys, man, we're getting a little pullback here in the silver, and we are getting a bounce in the gold, guys. Sorry, not the gold, the NQ. You missed the whole right. Yeah, that's fine. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. I do not want to trade the silver, you know. I mean, unless I'm trading the Lucid, because I don't want to mess it up, you know. The silver is just a different animal, you know. The silver can really wreck your you know, your mental. If you get into a you know, if it's gonna take you a few seconds to kind of blow your account just trading silver. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I mean, I'm telling you right now, if I honestly, a lot of us, including myself, I would have thought we would short this market right at this level, right? And guess what? It's getting a bounce. Like, in a matter of a second, you get a bounce like that. You know, this is where, you know, a lot of traders kind of wreck their account on this little thing here that we get, right? This is where we get into a lot of trouble, right? This is where we get into a lot of trouble this week. And I would have actually tried to short this market right at this level here at the 113.4, and then it's tough, man. This blows your account. This with 1 minute contract, this would have blown your account, right? So that's why it's kind of hard to trade silver, even though it's it definitely presents an opportunity. It's hard, man. This wicks here, this can blow your account. I'm telling you, honestly, I'll tell you what I had in my mind. Short gold, short silver. That's what I had in my mind, guys. Short silver. But did I short the silver? I did not execute my order, but I had in my mind short. That's what I had in my mind. But guess what would have happened if I shorted that market now? I would have been absolutely roasted now by now, guys. Look at the squeeze that we are getting in the silver. That's why it's difficult to trade silver. especially if you're trading the mini contract. Even if you're on the micro, this would have blown your account. You know what I mean? You know, like look at that bounce, man. That's it looks like the silver is gonna be all-time high again. Incredible. Oh, we got Shanghai, by the way. Oh, maybe that's the reason why we actually got a pullback here. Maybe I don't know. Maybe that's what it is. Just not sure. Oh, Trump. Well, we got a little speech from Trump. He said he's made a lot of people rich. I don't know about me though. I don't know if he's made a lot of people rich though. Did he really did that, you think? I'm not sure. I don't really have. I'm not sure if that's you know, I mean, if stock market goes up and people making a lot of money, someone else is losing too, right? You know what I mean? So guys, man, look at this silver. Damn it, man, the silver is getting me into a lot of FOMO. I better not look at the silver here, by the way. It keeps going. I missed that move, which is fine, not the end of the world, but I mean, but it's definitely getting me into a lot of FOMO. Yeah, I know, man, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, but by now you guys probably would have realized that, oh shit, I may be addicted to silver. You know what I mean? I'm really trying to refrain from trading silver. I'll be honest with you guys, man. It is so addictive. It's not even funny, man. So what I'm trying to do now is maybe trade SLV on my personal live account that I trade. I trade the equities on my personal live account, and I could trade this SLV, but that's pretty much it. You know, I mean, trading silver, that's a lot of risk. I'll tell you that much. A lot of risk, guys. I already got enough damage, but at the same time, I made some really good profits. I'll be honest, trading silver, but I also had some quite a few damage. You know, like on a Lucid account, I made I have one account over $11,000 right now, but I mean, I also lost other funded accounts as well. So it's like, you know, you're making, but at the same time you're kind of giving back to the market, right? So it's kind of like, you know, is it really worth it? I mean, right now it kind of feels like it's worth it because the profits that I'm making right now is pretty astronomical compared to what I'm kind of losing. But I mean, losing is never fun, right? Losing is never fun. I think tomorrow's gonna get very interesting, guys. I mean, this market so far giving us some level of clues that this market is the volatility is gonna be here to stay into tomorrow morning. I think that's what it is. Now the question is, how volatile it's gonna get tomorrow morning. It's gonna be some crazy times, man. Holy mochaccino. It's gonna be crazy, guys. But tomorrow is Wednesday. It's gonna be a big day, and I look forward to trading tomorrow morning. I will be live in front of my fellow traders tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. and of course I would love to be able to trade live with my fellow traders while I'm obviously in front of my computer. Most of the time in the mornings I trade on my phone, just so you guys know. Something is going to blow up. I truly believe that something is going to really blow up so bad it's not even funny anymore, guys. I think we're going to get tons of new millionaires, but at the same time I think we're going to have to see, unfortunately, tons of millionaires go broke. We'll see what happens. Gonna get pretty close. Oh yeah, so the MGC, the gold, I'm trading on the wrong contract, right? So I've got to get that changed. It's MGC. You're right, man. MGC J, right? Is it J? But you don't really have to do it now. I mean, you still have about a day or two. But maybe the volume is better, right? So the volume is better on this bad boy right now. Wow, man, look at this mochaccino bounce, man. It's incredible. This gold is mochaccino. Mochaccino means amazing. It's our internal joke. Amazing, fascinating, incredible, like greatest thing ever. So I always use this mochaccino every time I metals aren't stopping. Yeah, it's just not. It doesn't want to stop. And the NQ is getting a bounce as well. What the heck, man? Is there anything that's gonna pull back here, guys? I mean, that's what it did all morning. Blow past 52, 15. We just blew through that. Silver is H6, right? Am I trading the wrong contract on silver too, or what? I think I should be okay with this. Or am I wrong? I'm not sure. I think I'm okay with this silver. It's just the gold, correct? Can somebody confirm? Am I? I'm not sure. The gold is what? SIH 26? I have no idea. Silver is QI. H is fine. All right. I think I'm fine now. Thanks for letting me know, everybody. All right, so I want to just try to understand where this market is really wanting to go. I think we have a little bit of a sustained bounce on the NQ, but it's obviously kind of too late for me to hop onto this train to the upside, of course, right? So I'm going to have to look for some kind of a pullback here before I can actually hop in and try to ride the long. But silver and gold looks a little more fragile here. You could see a little bit of a dumpage. Of course, we had a big push already on the silver and the gold, so kind of expecting a little pullback here. It's not a bad thing. Corm 4042. 오늘도 winning trading 가자. 합시다. What up? 와우. 축하해. Mr. Com. 축하합니다. So Mr. Com blew 24 accounts, but got $2,000 a payout. The 24 accounts, I'm assuming that's evals. So let's give or take $40 on each of those accounts. That's like $1,000 bucks. $1,000 took $2,000 a payout. That's 50% in profit, right? Very smart, like that, Mr. Com. Good job. Yes, let's go together. It's the same contract? Okay. Jaemin. Of course my pronunciation is good. I'm Korean. I'm Korea. मेरा नाम कोरिया है. Holy mochaccino. This is what I was talking about, guys. I like, again, very fragile. Anything can happen in this gold and the silver, and that's what's really kind of tough to trade the gold and silver. I would have just went long blindly because it looked too bullish, right? If you just take a look from this standpoint before we actually start to get a pullback, I mean, this almost kind of tells me that let's just go bull, go long. Like, why? Why do you want to even try to short this market? I mean, the gold and the silver. But guess what happens right after? Come on, I mean, this is unreal, man. Look at this. I mean, yeah, it's tough. And that's why it's tough to trade the gold and silver. At least if it's trending here to the upside on the NQ, it will just continue moving. Well, not every day. I kind of lied. Gold is, well, NQ is also some time to time. It's kind of very silly, right? Yeah. Yeah, NQ is also silly sometimes. Everything is silly. Is there anything not silly? Like, all these instruments are kind of playing dirty, right? A lot of fakes and a lot of dirty stuff, man. I hate these instruments. I think real estate is probably better, easier, right? Yeah, it doesn't move. The price does not move that quickly as stock market. Yeah, I mean, why don't we just all go get into real estate, everybody? Probably easier that way. Order rejected. What up, man? Flushing is coming. Well, we actually got a flush. Now we're getting a bounce, right? Oh well. Yeah, Jamie, and I was raised in Korea. I'm completely Korean with a lot of kimchi. Do you set profit limits every day? I don't. I just trade. I don't set profit targets at all, man. Sometimes I make $2,000 on my Apex accounts, and I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna lose any of my profits. I'll just kind of walk away $2,000, and I have this 30% consistency issue, but I'll just stick to it. You know, I'll just trade for more profits, but I don't purposely try to give back any of my profits just because of the consistency rule, for example. So that's why I don't really set profit targets or profit limits or any of that sort. I try not to, you know. There's really no point in doing that. A little different in a sense, but of course, I mean, you know, I mean, a lot of the prop firms, you know, 30 to 40% consistency, it's gonna get you to about $1,000. I mean, it's really hard to make $1,000 to give or take, right? So anywhere between $500 to $1,500, I'm okay with it. And if I kind of stretch it to 2,000, just, you know, maybe because I got too lucky, or maybe we're trading silver, then I'll just take $2,000 and kind of walk away and worry about the consistency rule a little bit later. You know what I mean? J Ma, what is going on, brother? All right, guys, I'm not in any trades right now. I don't have any open positions. I already got into one trade. I mean, I may do a little more trades maybe towards the a little bit later tonight when everything kind of tries to settle down. I may try to trade a little more, but for now, I kind of feel like this market may try to chop in this range. So I don't really know if there's going to be any exciting moves. Maybe it's time to kind of walk away for now. I don't know. That's what I kind of see. I don't want to play this chop here, especially Globex, man. I mean, Asia. It's like a little bit of a suicidal here, right? It's
Order rejected.
oh man, I completely forgot that I had, man, limit orders here. Holy mochaccino.
Order cancelled.
मैं उर्दू मालूम नहीं है. उर्दू हिंदी सेंस में ना क्या है यार. Alright, my fellow traders from India got really excited because StockTiger knows how to speak Hindi, which is great. Love you guys, man. Love you guys. So I'm gonna have to see you guys every day here, right? Oh my god, this is so funny, man. I love this. This is definitely very entertaining now, all of a sudden. Oh, Rajti is also from India, right? Rajti is also from India. Where in India again? Are you from New Delhi? Are you from Hyderabad? Are you from Kerala? Or where are you from? Don't tell me you're from Kashmir, man. Don't tell me you're from Kashmir. You're God's gift. Oh, Jamin, thank you, brother. Thank you so much, man. I don't know about that, but I try. I go to church every on the weekends, and I obviously I do a lot of prayers, try to ask for forgiveness of all my sins that I did. Throwing phone against the wall, smacking stuff, smashing the desk, and using words during the day. It's all thanks to trading. Trading has definitely got me to a little wild. Urdu, Hindi the same, but some words in Urdu sounds great. Yeah, sounds great. What about Hindi? Doesn't sound great. Oh man, that's not fun. You love listening to Urdu? Yeah. Yeah, it sounds slightly different. I'll tell you, yeah, it sounds a little different. I'll be honest. Yeah, it sounds a little different, but pretty close to the same. It's like a little bit of an accent, right? But I mean, it's like my Konglish and the real English and my Konglish, right? I don't know if you guys know what I mean. The Konglish. Oh, the Koreans may know what I mean. Konglish and the real English. Trading is a great job. It's how you run it. Yeah, it is a well. I don't treat trading as a job. Yeah, I mean we have to treat trading. If you're obviously a very serious trader, then yes, you have to treat it. You have to treat it like a business. But you want to enjoy trading. You know, you really want to enjoy trading. If you start to think as a job and you take it seriously every single day and night, it's gonna burn you out pretty quickly, you know what I mean? And I've come through that stages a while ago, so أنا كلام عربي شوية بس دندلة. Korean English, yeah, Longhorn, man. There you go, my friends. All right, guys. Wow. You enjoy if you're profitable. I mean, you have to still try to find a way to enjoy it, even if you're not profitable. Because if you're not doing that, then it's only gonna go downhill right from there. Just because you're not profitable, you start to get angry and you start to get upset, and you're like having a bad month, and that's gonna spiral. It's gonna get worse and worse every single month, right? And at some point, you're gonna be like, okay, well, I have no money. You know what I mean? So you gotta have to really change the mindset, in my opinion. Salam, Habibi. كيف حالك؟ You just fall in love after listening to people speak Urdu. Fall in love. I don't know about that. I don't know if you fall in love just because you hear somebody speaking Urdu. I may fall in love if somebody speaks in Spanish, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. It's stressful job, so you definitely got a point to have fun. Yeah, you really have to find a way to have fun, guys. I mean, if not, then I don't know. It's not fun. You have a nice accent. What part of Alabama? What the heck, man? Like you're assuming that I'm from Alabama. I'm not. I'm in Korea now. I'm in Korea and I'm turning 18 next month. I understand I'm still very young. Some ways to go in my trading journey. I've only been trading for about 14 years now, but I'm turning 18 next month. The math doesn't seem right, but anyways, does it really matter? I think you mentioned Alabama because there's a lot of Koreans living there. Your nose is getting longer. F off. Anyways, guys, I mean, yeah. Putting all the jokes aside, I think it's that time of the day, guys. Alright, it's that time of the day, guys. We'll hang out tomorrow again. I will be back tomorrow morning, right? So we'll do giveaways tomorrow too. Or maybe we'll have more fun. I think for now though, I've got to get going because it's getting a little late. I'm a little tired too. Ooh, I had a long day. Holy mochaccino. Had a really long day. But not a good one too on my personal front. I had a lot of stuff going on during the day. So, and obviously I did not have a lot of good trades on my phone either. So it's like, what a great day, guys. Of course, I traded silver. I had a pretty good towards the end of the day, but I mean, yeah. Yeah, I'm turning 18 next month. Yeah, I've been trading for about 14 years now, so 14 years, yeah. On a PROPFIRM journey, it's only been about a little less than 2 years now, so I'm fairly new to the PROPFIRM space. Yeah, we'll get another giveaway tomorrow, guys. Kind of not there yet at the moment, so anyways, guys, I thank everybody for being here. The market kind of chopping, so really nothing there to kind of trade off with. You know, I don't want to take a risk and try to trade this chop and blow an account and have a worse night. You know what I mean? I want to stay away from trouble for now, so we'll leave it at this, guys. The fun trading is a lot of fun. Oh man, yeah, I hate it so much, but I really don't have a lot of choice, to be honest, right? That's all I could do. But guys, man, before you hop out, just don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, and thank you guys obviously for doing that. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning. Everybody, I hope you all have a great rest of the night, guys. Do not wreck any more accounts. Do not be like StockTiger, please. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for being here. Lucky Mon, Dan Emmons, yo, Jillian, everybody, J Rod, Bradley, Life, Booker, Longhorn, Jamin, Streamlab, Gringo, Maximus, El Fraco, everybody, Slacker, everybody. We'll see you guys back tomorrow in the morning, 10:30 a.m. in the morning. We'll see you guys back. We'll do some giveaways as well tomorrow morning. Well, let's try to have some fun, plus a lot of good trades tomorrow morning, okay? Have fun. Have a great rest of the night, guys. God bless everybody, you and your family. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you guys, and peace. Holy mochaccino.